Inf gang. 2018 is payday, that mean KK, or you can vacate. My circle could print day. We don't fuck with you, you gets no entry. Kopakai sensei, I'm real greedy cause it feels like Weber and Bibby. Rolled up in the Ziggy, damn it man, this shit is so tricky. My life is so new age, I'm saving loose change. So my C2 kicks, ride bicycle, Luke Canes. I'm a pot liquor, eat them like pot stickers. Can't get more crisper, this shit is Antoine Fisher. This shit is Kawhi Leonard, proper like a bonsai tree. When the shit's all dark, but it feels sunny. Never give up on the point when you want it to stop. Now you walking backwards like the king of the pop. Never throw shade on a nigga, give him his props. And never throw dirt on a nigga holding a mop. Kurse Krew.
What it do, hun? It's 10th letter harmony, and that's the homie 2-1. But Jae and Deuce don't need to be introduced, cause the history between us is deeper than tree roots. Holla at the homie Scholar for dropping a smooth groove on the player. He know I love that two-step. Cortez Nikes with 2 checks. Jay's flavor, lyrical tastemaker, got the juice like Jumex. I smoke earth with the crew that curse. A mouthpiece that make a dime piece remove a shirt. How you plan to succeed if you refuse to work? Sugar, the pimp said the game don't wait. Better go on your grizzly, cause failure's unbearable. And bullshit has no appointment on my schedule. No sweat, you know how the 10th letter do. Handle you a class of finesse like a professional.
Last time I had a mic, I was killing shit. Shows was back and forth like Wimbledon. Hit approve, it's already been proven. We some teenage mutant motherfuckers, are you feeling it?
Last time I had the mic, I was killing shit. Reminds me that I'm the illest when I reminisce. Toriyama and Stony, so proper. Certified heat rockers, keep rocking.
All I ever wanted was to move on up, but that's gonna take a lot of prove on up. Acting like I ain't kicked it enough. Don't think I'm holding back just because I got a piss in the cup.
No sweat, piece of cake like the album's incarcerated. They waiting on release dates. 3 greats that never give them no leeway. They waiting for the hook like fans watching Kareem play.
Let that light work. 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 Brother, let that light work. Curse, let that light work. Yeah, let that light work. Inf gang, let that light work. Work.